everyone, welcome back. It's Courtney C. Today I'm going to be showing you my cute little bag from Zara. It's cute and green. Can't wait to show you guys. And also a quick Coach unboxing. Before we get into that, I focus on style, my life as a teacher, and reviews because I have a super critical eye and I do not have money to waste. So if you like content like that, come on and join me. Alright guys, so here is this cute bag that I found at Zara. I will tell you, I'm not much of a Zara shopper, but I might give Zara more of a chance because I've been seeing some really cute things on their website. So you see at the front, there is a little chain detail, which you guys know I love a good detail. See some studs on the side. It gives it an edgy look. And then you see some stones at the corner of the bag. This bag reminds me so much of the BALENCIAGA CAGOLE bag, XS shoulder bag, and this is a shoulder bag as well. As you see on the side, there is an adjustable strap and some buckles on both sides. I will say that the vegan leather on the bag is like pretty okay. I think that it's passable, but this is something that I think could possibly wear down over time. This doesn't scream like great quality, but it is an A1 dupe, I'd say. So, I mean, there's a bit of a trade-off. Let's get into the interior of the bag. The bag came completely stuffed. And here is the thing that I don't like. Like, do you see how it's like squishing as we speak? I love structured bags. The interior of the bag is black. There's a pocket in there, and then there's like a green tag that says Zara in pretty big writing. And there is a tag on the side that I'm going to cut out because that's annoying. And then nothing on the other side. I will say that I could fit a cute 4 or 5 items in this bag. Definitely my cell phone, my little cosmetics bag, and some other necessities. Like I said, I think that this is really cute for spring and summer. I told you guys, or maybe I didn't tell you guys. I'm getting my conversations mixed up. But I have been saying to other people, and now I'm going to tell you guys, that green is the color of spring and summer, and maybe the fall as well. So I absolutely love this beautiful Kelly green, and it definitely adds a beautiful pop of color to your outfits. This is a good way to do that without spending a ton of money. It is $49, so it's not the cheapest thing out here, but it beats like buying a more expensive bag. So it's just something fun for, you know, the warm weather coming up. Of course, I'll have it linked in the description box for you guys to see as well. Now let's get into my Coach unboxing. I actually found these shoes at the Coach outlet and I fell in love. The regular price is $150. I paid $99 for these, and once you see them, you will see why. The packaging isn't all that great, I'll be honest, and you see the 2 white shoes. And here are the bottoms. They're a tan color, and I have a size 9. You see on the front, you see the 2 C's. I love that. And you see that it is kind of like hugging the perimeter of your foot, and then the back is kind of cupped as well. Let me take the stuffing out. I have tried these on. Y'all, these are very comfortable. I've been noticing a lot of you girls wearing white, and I think it's so cute. And typically I don't jump on to trends, but I was like, let me try out a little bit of white. I could definitely see myself dressing this up and dressing it down. You could definitely wear this with a really cute pantsuit or skirt suit, or a cute dress if you want to wear it to work, or you could wear it with a pair of cute cutoff shorts, which is what I'm imagining, in a beautiful blouse, and just feel like you're summer ready with a little bit of class, because I think that these are so classy. Now I am a little bit nervous because I typically do not wear white. White makes me nervous. I'm very clumsy sometimes and I spill things. That's just what So I know that I'm going to have to be real careful in these shoes, but I think that they're just so beautiful. Of course, I'll have them linked down below for you guys to check out. I hope that you guys have been having a wonderful week. For those of you who are subscribed to me, I just want to know what kind of content would you like to see from me? Would you like to see vlogs? I've been giving it a little bit of thought, like me getting on and doing some shopping vlogs because I love to shop. And I'd like to take you guys with me, but I don't want to do it unless you guys are interested. So let me know in the comments down below. Alright, I'm going to wrap it up here. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next week in my next video. Alright, bye.